As you see, now we are guests at the Pakistan country. Please, could you introduce?
Yeah, my name is Rehab and we are representing Pakistan. And Pakistan was founded by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and we have had like a lot of people coming because of our henna art, our stickers, and of course our Jam-e-Shirin and Doodh Soda, which are the basic drinks of Pakistan. People drink it every day in summers, and it's really nice. I think you should try it.
This is juice and milk.
Yeah, this is milk with soda water. It's like Doodh lassi, and this is like Jam-e-Shirin. It's rose water, and yeah.
Let's try it. Yes.
Yeah, of course.
This is your first participation?
Yeah, it is my first participation.
Mashallah. Let me try. Wow.
It's very
Ay,
hydrating.
arkadaşlar bu biliyor musunuz? Çiçekten yapılmış ya. Gülden, gülden yapılan meyve suyu. Biz bunu meyveden ederiz ama bunlar gülden edilir. Katı oltağın var. What can you say about the national education?
I think the national education of Pakistan is very up to par, but I think in Pakistan there's more OA levels like British curriculum more than the national curriculum. But there are many people here even from backgrounds of same like our Pakistani traditions. So it's really nice.
Have you heard about Turkmenistan?
Yeah, I've heard about Turkmenistan.
Have you been over here?
No, I just came here. Yeah, I've not been there yet.
I
will
invite
come.
you all. Please come.
I'll come with the
enjoy in
passport.
Turkmenistan.
Yeah.
Also try Turkmen national dishes also. Okay.
Yes, of course. You just come.
Thank you. We are waiting. Okay. Thank you so much.
Turkmen people are so nice. I met
So
them.
nice too. Pakistan too.
Yeah.
I tried the food at Turkmenistan. It was really, really delicious. And the dances were very lively as well. Yeah.
They're beautiful. You guys are beautiful.
Thank you. Would you like to say something?
Pakistan Zindabad!
Only Pakistan?
Yeah.
What about Bilgi University?
Bilgi University Zindabad!
What does mean Zindabad? Zindabad.
Go!
Let's go. Let's go Bilgi University with Alazim Consulting. Welcome. Thank you.
Pakistan'a gideninizde şeydi, gül suyu içmeyen de yattan çıkarmak.
Murat Bey nasılmış tadı?
Betekin.
Tadı güzel değil mi?
Tadı çok güzel, on
Vallahi
numara.
tavsiye ediyorum. Pakistan'a buyurun gelin. Çiçek suyundan için çok güzel. Çok lezzetli.
Alazim Consulting.